Hi, this is Corey Chambers in Los Angeles. Your home sold guaranteed or I'll buy it. Thanks for taking a minute to listen in. In a moment, I'll share with you some valuable information about this topic. 1100 Wilshire Boulevard, Unit 2805, Los Angeles. Luxury high-rise tower condominium, downtown Los Angeles with views. If you see any properties that are of interest to you, let us know. We will gladly send you a property information packet on any loft, condo, or house, or private previews available upon request. If you have a home you'd like to sell, you should know that I will guarantee the sale of your present home at a price acceptable to you, or I'll buy it for cash. This guarantee will allow you to buy your next home without worrying about selling your present home. To find out how much you could sell your home for, call me at 213-880-9910 now. So this is a stunning modern loft with spectacular panoramic views from downtown Los Angeles to the Hollywood sign, situated high on the 28th floor. This open loft style home features 12-inch high ceilings, features 12-foot high ceilings, walk-in closet, gorgeous wood flooring, kitchen with stainless steel appliances, and lots of other amazing upgrades. Check out the details. Just click on the details. And 1100 Wilshire is one of the most respected buildings in downtown Los Angeles. Every unit in the building has commanding views. This building may be involved in litigation or lawsuits, so check out these links to make sure. Here are reader questions. Question number 1. What's for sale at Alta Lofts in Lincoln Heights? Answer: there are a few lofts for sale at the Alta Lofts building by downtown Los Angeles. Visit www.altaloft.com or click on this link here. Second question, did they catch Drew Donovan? Answer: well, Drew Christian Donovan, aka Christian Andrews, otherwise known as Jimmy Wayne Jackson, is currently on the prowl defrauding people in Los Angeles and Orange County. And the last question, did downtown Los Angeles Oceanwide Plaza call it quits? The answer is, it looks that way for the moment, while other new construction projects like the Gary Grand are making great progress. Oceanwide Plaza is still looking like an empty shell of a stalled project. Find out how much your home is worth with a free, quick online home evaluation. Just click here. And find out how much your home is worth. Get a free, we already got that. So you're going to receive a detailed listing of all the recent home sales and all active listings in your area. That will help you figure out how much your home is worth. And you can get that for homes near your address or your own home. And fill out this short form here to get that for free. And this 1100 Wilshire, otherwise known as the Chase Building. So thanks for joining me. As I mentioned earlier, a property information packet is available on any loft, condo, or house, or private previews available upon request. Just call 213-880-9910. I'm Corey Chambers in Los Angeles. Your home sold guaranteed or I'll buy it. Thanks for joining me. We'll talk to you again real soon. Bye-bye.